universe. There is no more extreme.
The Viper, the artist, who will earn against Jinder Mahal tonight.
We welcome you to SmackDown Live. Swig and RKO ignited this matchup, and for the first time ever, Randy Orton.
In my career, I've watched more stars crash and burn. Shinsuke Nakamura is a star, there's no doubt about that. It was a reminder that if you are distracted for even 1 second, they have finally taken the WWE title from Jinder Mahal.
I respect. He knows how to inflict pain, but I am chasing my will be felt everywhere.
Ellsworth.
Ladies and gentlemen, Princess of Staten Island
is Kevin Owens. And Byron, over the last few weeks, Kevin Owens has simply done exactly what he's played.
For you one thing, when Kevin Owens wants something, he will stop at nothing to get it.
James, as extremely profound as I'm sure what you were about to say was, now has a special guest referee. So referee, as it were, I'm gonna need that shirt.
Here we go.
Kevin Owens trying to pull this exact same stunt, made himself the official in the middle of the match.
Thank you for that. How's everybody doing tonight? You are not going to do what you did last week and come out here at every turn. At every turn. I've been extremely patient. One thing that we have to get very clear. You need to stop blaming me for your losses. You and AJ, if you put your hands on me, well, things can happen. Let's go back 2 weeks ago right here on SmackDown Live. You picked Baron Corbin. He came down and he didn't even finish. He left.
Pulled him out of the ring. You interfered just like you did at SummerSlam, because I don't want to be on SmackDown Live either. If it was up to me, I would still be on Raw.
See, that's not how it works here on SmackDown Live. You have to earn your championship. Don't blame me why you're not successful. Blame yourself.
Nothing to do with you. Of course, it has to do with you. Everything here. Why do you need to do all these things to get the spotlight? Is it because to do anything to be the center of attention, you're willing to parade your kids around here and make them dance? How was that? Look, Dad, look what I can do. I can jump off the cell. I'm going to be real honest with you right now. Your entire family, your dad, your wife, your kids.
Oh, it's Shane McMahon. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Your entire family would have been better off if you hadn't survived that crash. Your kids.
Take your time. Whoa. Take your time.
Kevin, his hands on you. He was completely out of line.
Yeah, you're damn right. SmackDown Live into the Kevin Owens show, literally. WWE down. Shane McMahon.
Kevin, I know you're upset, but there's got to be a different way that we can...
I'm going to press criminal charges on Shane McMahon.
Kevin, calm down.
The bank to face off against the SmackDown Women's Champion, Natalya.
Live, guys. Talk about chaos.
Natalya! Carmella an opportunity to Sin City, and that's where Natalya will defend the SmackDown Live. It's the champion against Miss Money in the Bank, and here we go right out. As Carmella has to play this one right, could see an opportunity if it arises.
Oh, you're absolutely. When you're about to defend a champion. Carmella's never lacking in the attitude herself, but what a quote
of Ellsworth. Natalya wants a piece of Miss Money in the Bank. Woman aspires to have. Remember the Money in the Bank contract.
Oh, look at these right hands.
Oh. To withstand Carmella's submission here. Oh, and a big power slam.
Very.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh! Face first into the top turnbuckle. Cover. Oh, and a kick out by Natalya. What the?
Oh, look out from behind Natalya.
Wait a minute, Natalya.
Overzealous, and it cost Miss Money in the Bank.
You think? Those was just
Look at this dummy. Not Carmelo with the kick. Watch El.
adamant that was not the case, but the champion would take advantage. Is it his decision to make, though?
You don't have to tell me you're sorry, James, because I know you're sorry. The sorriest excuse for a human being I have ever met. You think I need some genetic defect like you? How do you even work here, James? How are you still employed? You are so lucky to even be in my presence, in my business, for the last time. We're through!
Personally here tonight, that's exactly what is on the mind of Shane McMahon, trying to cool.
To Kevin Owens and said, no matter what the provocation.
See the re-debut of Dolph Ziggler. Not seeing much difference here.
You have no appreciation for what I can do in that ring. No. You'd rather sit here on your hand. Shame on all of you. You'd rather just have some dumb gimmick. Buy this, buy it! Now you saw through it? I got some. You love nostalgia, right? Yeah, here we go. Usually go for that nostalgia crap. Not tonight. You're not needed here. Thank you. This isn't working. No. Listen, I know exactly what you want and what you deserve. So this is what it's come to, huh? Dancing like an idiot, lasers, costumes. Anyone could do what I just did. Anybody. But you couldn't care less, right? You couldn't care less, right? You all make me sick.
That was certainly unexpected. Maybe.
The maestro of mayhem.
Well, I guess the concert's over.
The following contest is scheduled for Sami Zayn.
Shane McMahon will go on to strike the match onto Sami Zayn a couple weeks back. We're trying to get Sami Zayn to be the rack inside the ring there. It takes down Aiden English. Hold on. Sami's gonna fly. Oh, thought about the crossbody there in 8 seconds. Wants the cover here on Sami, and English got him.
A fantastic victory for Aiden English.
Positioning in the ring and taking advantage. Aiden English the wherewithal, then the cover here.
I give you the grand finale you've ever seen.
It's Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn trying to track down Aiden English.
Yeah. Put it on the deal.
We're selling this now.
Put it on the deal.
You can buy these. Yeah, thanks for coming. It's time for you guys to announce the stipulation. SmackDown Live in Las Vegas.
And Sin City. Street fight.
Well, may the odds forever be in our favor.
Yeah. No? Yeah.
Those underwear. Those boxers, man.
Yeah.
Sir, listen, there's got to be another way we can handle this. What if I'll do it right now. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Saw Daniel Bryan receive a phone call, uncertain what it was all about, but I have a feeling.
Right now, I need Shane McMahon to come down to the ring. Shane, I'm not sure if you're still back there, but if you are, I need to talk to you. Shane, what were you thinking? The Miz went on Talking Smack and he berated me, and every week he kept pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. Screw this job. I'm gonna headbutt this jerk right in the face. I had to put the fans first, and I had to put our employees first. We can't run SmackDown Live like that.
I know I put you in a tough spot, and I take full responsibility for my actions. And when they cross that line, there is no coming back.
You don't understand. Do you know the problems that we're in legally right now? Not that I care about that, but I care about the jobs of the people in the back. I'm afraid, Shane, it's too late for that. I got a call just before I came out here. It was from your father and the CEO of the WWE. You're indefinitely suspended.
Please welcome my guest, along with the Singh brothers. He's a WWE champion, Jinder Mahal.
I've already beaten Randy Orton multiple times and proven that I am better than him. All the hype, all the social media attention didn't matter. There's a reason why the New York Times is writing about me. I represent Asia. For over 100 days, I have proven that I'm the greatest. So what will it be? Randy Orton's RKO. May the better man win. And may that man fall. Karke sada delay, Jinder Mahal, Raj Karuga, Raj.
You know, as a father of four, I just want to say that I can't imagine what these families are going through.
To research pediatric cancer awareness.
Baron Corbin!
Everybody wants it. Why wouldn't they? When you hold this championship, you're considered one of the best.
And his opponent from Miami, Ty Dillinger!
Injected so much new life into the locker room, giving new hope to superstars like Ty.
About anybody in WWE. This man will stop at absolutely nothing. But look out from behind!
Dillinger sending Corbin into the desk. Dillinger wants payback here after last week.
Make the argument that Baron Corbin severely affected the ability of Ty to...
And sending Corbin outside the ring. Corbin, a big man coming in strong.
Nice move.
Hold on a second. Mobile. Hostile.
Oh. He does it now, does it?
This is a surrogate.
Oh. And Dillinger flies in with a forearm and a stop. Oh, stopped right in his tracks and sent out of the ring with force. Oh, and Dillinger shades the top turnbuckle, and here comes Dillinger.
I said that earlier. You cannot sleep on Dillinger.
Corbin taking advantage. Oh, my goodness.
Inflict that shot. Wait a minute.
Boom. End up. Byron, you can't sleep on Ty Dillinger, but you can put Ty Dillinger. Appears to me the Lone Wolf's well under the skin of the United States champion, Dean, but definitely a step closer into the mind of AJ Styles.
Hey, bro. Hey. It was a good fight. He did it tonight. That's what he does. He's a cheap shot artist. Next week, United States Open Challenge. Let's give the WWE Universe the fight they want to see. Phenomenal. See you in Sin City.
Just hear me out, please. Just hear me out. And I am subhuman, and I probably belong in a zoo. Just give me another chance, and I'll keep my mouth shut. Listen, I'm begging you. I'll do anything you want. Anything.
From now on, we're doing things my way.
Shinsuke Nakamura with an opportunity. And if he can get a win tonight, he can secure his opportunity next month.
What Randy Orton's best shot feels like. But Randy Orton has no idea.
Championship at the Hell in a Cell pay-per-view. Shinsuke Nakamura for the WWE Championship. Shinsuke Nakamura.
Randy Orton!
Lewis for the WWE Championship. All he has thought about is getting back to the WWE.
Interesting contrast of styles in this one. Nakamura known for being the king of last week on SmackDown Live, but he is inside the mind of Nakamura. Randy is
the RKO versus the Kinshasa knee strike. Now Orton right in here on Nakamura.
Needs to just implode.
RKO so quick.
Known for the ability to stay calm in battle.
Oh, wait a minute, the Viper.
Maybe a little more respect than he had anticipated. This one's going to be good. Figure out who will challenge next, but right now, it is all Randy Orton. Implement the slow, methodical pace. Ground Nakamura.
Facing John Cena. Oh, challenging for the WWE Championship.
Nakamura lighting out in time.
No.
Draping Nakamura. Oh, sending him into the...
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Watch this one more time. Oh. Spine right in the depth.
Win at all costs.
And Jinder Mahal enjoying what he's seeing. Said whoever in the midsection trying to hobble the Viper. Caught him with the left. Down goes Orton. Just adjusted. Boom! Right in midair. And here comes Nakamura. The boot right there on the jaw. And Orton is favoring Orton. Oh, he came up with the right. Randy Orton. And now Nakamura. Boom! Right to the ribs.
Orton's got to be gapped.
First exploder, and Orton hammering his way out.
This is all for the right.
Ooh.
For an opportunity.
Backbreaker sends Nakamura to the outside, but look at Shinsuke.
Nakamura on the top rope.
Up top and chopped down.
This is over.
Nakamura is reeling.
Or is he psyching out Orton?
Oh, face first into the canvas. Oh, and here come the setting up. Power slam. Cover by and a staple of the Viper's offense.
Orton poised to strike.
Oh my God!
What a count to complete the submission.
And trying to pull down on his right leg is Nakamura. And
it's the power of Corey. It's the power of the Viper.
Oh, and dropped him. And Randy Orton
looking again. Oh! Here we go! Kinshasa!
Nakamura's got a WWE face at Hell in a Cell.
The modern day Maharaj
Women's Championship against Naomi.
Listen, Shane's been suspended. That's the end of this. It's done.
Personal playground and your personal nightmare. And guess what?
Maybe not. But there is someone coming next week to address this whole situation. Mr. McMahon.